Hi everyone, I'm going to show you in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your writing from your outline and create an essay with it. So if you go into Canvas in this week's module, which is called KAP Unit 3 Week 4, you'll see this major grade due Monday unlikely hero essay. Click on this link and this window will bring up your instructions for the major grade. Remember that this is due by the end of class today, and also don't forget to check your spelling, your grammar, and your citations. Make sure your citations are correct. So if you click on this gray box that says Load Major Grade into a new window, this document will show up. The first thing you're going to want to do is complete this heading. So you'll type in your first and last name up here. Tell me which class period you are in and put today's date. Then you want to open your outline. So go back to last week's module and find your outline, which is right, I'll show you where it is. Under last week's module for you, under week 3. If you go all the way down to Friday, because remember this was due on Friday, and you click on the essay outline. When you click on this link right here, your outline will open up. And so this should open your essay outline just like this. Now I'm going to copy and paste the writing in from my outline over to my essay document. And I'm going to actually split screen this so that it's a little bit easier for me to look at. Okay. Now, notice in our essay outline, each section is separated to where each section is its own paragraph. And we've created this in order to help you just copy it over and create paragraphs from each section. Your sentences are in order, or in the order that they need to be for your paragraph. So all I need to do is just copy and paste this information. So I'm going to highlight everything in here. This is my very first sentence of my essay. I'm going to right click, copy. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click paste. Now you'll notice it looks just like the font over here. The font's a little bit different. Over in your essay right here, your font should be in Times New Roman. So that's what this font is up here in your heading. So we can format all of this later. I just want to make sure that I click on the tab button because remember we indent paragraphs. And so to indent your paragraph, you'll click tab. And so now I'm just going to keep adding my sentences in my paragraph. Copy and paste. And there's my first paragraph. Now my second paragraph will be this right here. All of these sentences are in order that they need to be in for your paragraph. So I'm going to click enter. And once I've indented my first paragraph, Google will automatically start indenting the rest of your paragraph. So that's a neat function. So now I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to copy and continue to paste. Now it may not have indented, so I may need to go back and fix that. And I'm just going to do this for everything. Now, if you want to use your keyboard, if you want to look for a faster way to copy and paste, once you highlight the text that you want to copy, if you click on the Control C at the same time, the Control button and the C button, it'll copy it. And then over here, wherever you place your cursor, if you click Control V, it'll paste it. I'm going to do that to speed things up just a little bit. Make sure your spacing is correct. Make sure you always put a space after the period. Sometimes the cursor wants to put it right next to the period. Okay, so my second paragraph is finished. Now it's time to move on to my third paragraph, which is actually body paragraph number 2. And I'm going to do the same thing I just did. Make sure that it indents. Now you'll notice on this second paragraph, I don't have a link. Remember that link is extra credit. So this is your transition to the next paragraph. This is extra credit. This is what I'm grading you. You could possibly earn an extra 5 points on this assignment. And then finally, if you don't have a third body paragraph, if you don't have a third piece of evidence, you're going to move on to your conclusion. So now I'm ready to end my essay. So I just copy this, make sure it's indented. And there we go. Now it's all finished, but you're going to notice that we need to clean this up just a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and close out my outline, and I'm going to work, now that everything is copied into here, I'm just going to work in this document. Now, I've got some bigger font, I've got some smaller font. It doesn't match my heading. I want everything to be Times New Roman in my essay. So I'm going to highlight all of this. I'm going to click right here. I've used Times New Roman recently, so I'm going to click it up here. But if you haven't used it recently, you're going to scroll down. All your fonts are in alphabetical order and find Times New Roman. Here we go. Then it needs to be in 12. The font size is 12. So to change your font size, go up here to this menu and click on that and just go to 12. And now everything is 12. One final thing that I need to do is I need to double space this. We always double space our essays. So in order to double space, I need to go up into my menu bar again, and where these lines with the arrows going up and down, this is our line spacing tool. If I click on that, notice I'm in single right now. That means there's no space after each line. If I go to double space and click double, it's going to put a space between each line. And now this looks a little bit cleaner and easier to read. Now, once you have formatted everything, you make sure that all your paragraphs are indented. I've checked my spelling, I've checked my grammar, everything is good and I'm happy with it. Then you are finally ready to submit this assignment. So please remember that this essay is due by the end of class today, and you should have already finished your outline last week. So all you'll have to do is copy and paste everything that you've written. Once you've done your outline, you've essentially written your essay, and this shouldn't take any time at all. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm free. If you have questions after class, please send me an email. If not, ask me questions during class.